Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about a topic on agriculture engineering questions which is asked in UKPSC Uttarakhand Public Service Commission 2018 AE question paper. Hope this video might be useful for you. So we can discuss briefly. So first question, when flow parameters change with time but remains constant with space, the flow is called. So actually there are steady and unsteady flow as well as uniform and non-uniform flow. Okay, first you want to understand what is steady flow and what is unsteady flow. A flow is said to be steady if any point in the fluid do not change with time. So therefore dou v by dou t is equal to 0 for steady flow. For unsteady flow, it is opposite, completely opposite. The flow parameters at any point changes with time. Okay, so it is said to be steady flow. Here coming to this, for uniform flow, the flow velocity and other hydrodynamic properties do not change from point to point at any instant of time. So for uniform flow, it does not change. So coming to the non-uniform flow, the velocity and other hydrodynamic properties changes from point to point, okay, for any instant of time. Here in question they are asking when the flow parameters changes with time. So changes with the time in the sense it is unsteady flow, okay, it is unsteady flow, but remains constant with the space of flow. So it should remain constant. So for uniform flow only, it does not changes from point to point, it remains constant. So the correct option is option A is the correct answer for this question. Unsteady uniform flow. Okay, just we move on to next question. A submersible pump may be. So here they are given the option single stage, multi-stage or centrifugal pump or both A and B. So option A and B. So it is a single stage and multi-stage pump. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. A submersible pump is a vertical turbine pump where the small diameter submersible electric motor is present. So that only we are calling this as submersible pump. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. The high moisture grain should be kept in so it should be kept in an aerated structure. Okay. So when there is an increase in moisture content of the grain, it tends to get affected by the molds. So and viability of the seeds also get decreases. So you should kept in an aerated structure for the high moisture grain. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Most commonly used storage structure by the Food Corporation of India is, so most commonly used storage structure is, so it is known as CAP storage, which is cover and plinth storage. Okay, so this type of storage structure is known as a transit storage or veranda covers. It is used for storing the grains for a shorter period of time. So this cover and plinth storage is in rectangular shape made of polyethylene of 1000 gauge, most important one, and the covering dimension varies from 9.4 meter into 6.4 meter into 5.5 meter. So these stacks are built to a height of up to 7 bags having a capacity of 24 tons. Okay, so other than this, so the plinth is from bottom and the cover is from the top. Okay, cover from the top. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. The density of the water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. So LSD dryer was developed at Louisiana State University. Okay. So here everything given is wrong. So none of the above is the correct answer. So this dryer, which consists of a A-shaped air chambers. A-shaped air chambers. Air chambers. And the drying air temperature varies from 55 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. It can be carried up to 3 to 4 stages. Okay, the drying is process carried to 3 to 4 stages, and each stage is called as pass. Okay, so this is the thing to know about the LSU dryer. So option D is the correct answer, none of the above. Louisiana State University. Next, specific energy diagram is plotted between the specific energy and depth of the flow for constant discharge. Okay, option B is the correct answer. So next question, the maximum recommended air temperature for drying of wheat. So for wheat, the recommended air temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. Okay. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Desirable temperature for safe storage of potato. For potato, it should be stored at 4 degrees Celsius. So that only we can, the value is becomes higher for potato. So here option D, none of the above. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a type of fluid flow? So there will be a steady flow and laminar flow and compressive flow, but there is no direct flow. Okay, option B is the correct answer for this question. It is not a type of fluid flow. So next question. In the cold storage, the storage temperature is normally varies from minus 1 degree Celsius to 10 degree Celsius. Okay, for cold storage structures. So option A is the correct answer. So next question. Hullers are used to. So actually, these hullers are used in India. It is a common for paddy hulling. Okay. The commonly used machine is Engelberg huller. So this huller is used for to remove the husk and paddy. Okay, option B is the correct answer. So the power required for the huller is 50 to 20 kilowatt and it is driven by belt driven type. So the ribbed roller rotated about 600 to 900 rpm. Okay, and then the capacity of this huller varies from 250 to 750 kg per hour. The yield of the parboiled rice by using hullers are 62 to 64 percentage, and for raw rice it is 56 percentage yield, and for brokens it varies from 25 to 30 percentage. Okay, so this is the important things to know in hullers. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Unit of refrigeration. So unit of refrigeration is ton. Okay, so nothing is given here. Option D is the correct answer, none of the above. So next question. 1 hectare is equal to, so actually 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay, so as well as 1 hectare is equal to 2.47 acres. Okay, so here nothing is given, so none of the above. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. Foresight is also known as, it is also known as minus side. Okay, so for backside it is a positive side and foresight it is a minus side. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The reduced level of a point is its higher height or depth above or below the assumed datum. Okay, assumed datum. Option B is the correct answer. So next question. So hygrophilic soils. So hygrophilic soils are, so it is which attracts the water. Option A is the correct answer. So for hygroscopic water is tightly bound by the soil by adhesion forces. It is not readily available to the plants. Okay, here the correct option is option A, hydrophilic soils which attracts the water. So next, the Froude number of a triangular channel is given as. So Froude number means, so we can draw the diagram in Froude number. So it is at T represents the top width and this is the 2y which is a triangular channel. So Froude number is given by V divided by root of GA by T. Here A represents the area of the cross section and T represents the top width. Okay, so this T is equal to top width is equal to My from this to this, My from this to this is My. So 2 My we had putting. So actually substitute this value here. So V divided by root of GA by 2 My. So we can write this as Froude number Fr is equal to V divided by root of G into Y by 2. Okay, so this is the required answer. So this can be derived from this equation. So A we can write this as half into 2My into Y, which is My square. Okay, so this equation can be written as V divided by G into My square divided by 2My. So this My and this My is cancelled. So therefore we can write this as Y by 2 G. Okay, so here the 2 we can represent this as root 2. So V root 2 divided by root of G. So Gy. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Okay, for this question. So next question. So in building material, RCC stands for reinforced concrete. So reinforced cement concrete. So here they didn't give it the correct option. So none of the above is the correct option. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. For slabs and beams, the following grade of concrete mix is generally used. So everything given here is wrong. None of the above is answer. Okay. Option D the correct answer. Next question. So a laminar flow is associated to. So a laminar flow is a low flow velocity moving of fluid without lateral mixing and absence of eddies. So all the above given statements are true. Okay, all the above is answer. So this is the laminar flow in a particular. So we are getting the low velocity. So there is no turbulent mixing, there is a lateral mixing. So like this, and there is absence of eddies. There are no eddies present. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Next question. A uniform flow generally occurs in. So in first question only we discussed about this uniform flow. It generally occurs in the inclined channel of the constant bed slope. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Next question. The bending's roughness n decreases with. So n always decreases with increase in the flow depth. What is the bending's formula? 1 by n is equal to R2 by 3 and S 1 by 2. So here R represents the hydraulic radius and S denotes the slope. Okay, so R it can be written as A by P. So this is vector per meter and this is area. Okay, so area can be written as pi by 4 d square. So we can see upcoming slides define about the Manning's formula. So it decreases with increase in the flow depth. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. At the critical flow condition, the velocity head is equal to the. So the velocity head is equal to half the flow depth. Okay, half the flow depth of flow. So half the flow depth. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. The dimension of dynamic viscosity. So here the SI unit of dynamic viscosity is Newton second per meter square. This can be represented as kg meter per second square into S divided by meter square. So we can cancel this. So kg meter per minus 1 S per minus 1. Okay. So which is nothing but m L power minus 1 and T power minus 1. So here the given option is option A is the correct answer. Okay, dimension of dynamic viscosity mu. So mu can be represented into force into time divided by length square. So from this only we can convert this SI unit. So next question. So Bernoulli's equation is applicable for only frictionless steady flow. Option A is the correct answer. So it is applicable for frictionless steady flow. So next question. A trapezoidal weir is said to be Cipollati when its side slope is tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. This is the side slope. Okay. Option A is the correct answer for trapezoidal weir. This is the trapezoidal weir. Okay. Next question. A frictional head loss in a pipe is directly proportional to. So frictional head loss, which is directly proportional to the length of the pipe. Okay, length of the pipe. So option A is the correct answer. So next question. Current meters are used to determine. So current meters are used to determine the flow velocity. Okay, current meter, flow velocity. Option D is the correct answer. So next question. Seepage force always acts in an. So seepage force, it can be action in the direction of flow. Okay, when the flow is like this, the seepage will act in the direction of the flow. So option C is the correct answer. So we can discuss the next coming questions in the next lecture. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like the videos, please hit the like button. Thank you.